My first pregnancy was very easy and realized that, I think we could have another one. We went in to have our scan and the doctor, she said, everything is wrong. Absolutely everything is wrong with your pregnancy. She was basically starving to death in my stomach.
My mindset and my heart were already on letting her go. So it was very hard. That day when the doctor said that he was going to try to put a tube down her throat and see if she could make it, the odds were slim to none on that even working.
I just started screaming, she's alive, she's alive. And I was grabbing my husband saying, she's alive, she's alive. Naomi was in the NICU for 142 days. She was 12 ounces and change, a little bit over 12. That's one of the things I give Renown a lot of credit for, is that they let me hold her. They actually made me hold her early on. There's so much research behind Kangaroo Care, skin to skin with a mother. A lot of hospitals would never have let me hold a baby that frail. Our doctor was adamant that she needed to be held because she was receiving a lot of negative touch. So I remember texting my girlfriend saying, today I held a miracle. So she was on oxygen for a while, so her lungs have been an issue. Big brother's been swimming since he was 7 months old, and she's always just been in the waiting room with me, cheering him on, and we decided it was time to get her into swim class. And she just loves it. She was just waiting to get in the pool. We are beyond proud that our little daughter that was on oxygen is now learning to swim underwater and hold her breath. And one of the things that can be very hard to achieve when you've had lung issues. We love going to the NICU, and we want Naomi to grow up knowing the people that cared for her so well. They really became our family.
Babies come in so small, so fragile, and you get to teach the parents how to take care of them and do all that. They get to go home, and they get to grow, and they get to live their lives, and it's exciting.
There was a lot of life-threatening issues happened to her, amazing things she managed to overcome. Something so small had so much fight in them. That she was able to survive, and part of that's the technology we had available, part of it's the medics we had available in the hospital, part of it, she's a miracle. She truly is.
Look away. Can you see me my wife?